right, special thanks to IBFUN. They sent us this canvas weekender bag. So not much around the box, of course. Let's open it on up. Ooh, it looks red. All right, nothing else in that. IBFUN, comfort, fashion, and unique. Oh, let's open this on up. See what we have here. Wow, so it's like wrapped in another bag. Oh, look at that. Oh, this feels nice. Oh, this feels like leather. Oh, yeah. So I think these are like leather straps and everything. This is a really good weekend bag, as they called it. This would be, you know, if we go on a trip, this one-nighter, I would honestly use this. Oh, look at all this down in here. Even more stuff. But yeah, you can fit a good bit of stuff in here. We even got some little side pockets here. And got a zipper pouch right here. But yeah, that would be more than enough for a night's worth of clothes, if not 2 nights worth of clothes. And from the side, you can kind of see how big it goes. Now, is this for a separate area? Wow, it is. So this is all underneath. So that's like a total separate compartment where you could put other stuff. So you have this section right here that's totally separate from the section up here. So, I mean, in all honesty, you got over a foot of bag here. And you got a zipper pocket here where you could put some stuff, and even down in there. Very, very nice. Now over here, we've got our hook to go from here to over here. Nice. Got a little IBFUN, looks like a makeup kit essentially. Very nice. All the zippers feel really good too. And then another strap. This strap may actually be for this. And this bigger strap I think is for this one. But either way, they just clip on right there and right there. And then also this little matching bag with some extra pockets, zip pouches. Very, very nice. That should do it for the unboxing. Let me see if my wife can model this one for you as well. So this is your weekender bag.
Yes.
This is, you know, what you would look like if you were carrying this bag to go somewhere for the weekend.
A very beautiful duffel bag, I can say that.
And it's honestly a lot more spacious than it looks. That bottom part is all a section. Like you can put stuff all down in there. See? So that whole thing opens up.
Wow.
There's all kinds of room in there. And then there's all the room in the top. And see? Some of the same little extra accoutrement in there.
Ooh, nice shoulder strap. What else we got? Another strap.
That's for, I think, the other. Like one of these, I feel like, is, you know, see, there's that one.
Oh.
Looks like it's for something, and then this one's for like makeup or something. Yeah, you get all that. You like that, my queen?
Cool. I love this.
Well, there you go. You got a new weekender bag. Not that I guess you need one now that we're married.
Hey, you never know. I could go for a weekend
Love
with
it.
the ladies.
Thank you, my queen.
Thank you.
And that'll do it for this one. Hope you guys like it. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.